how to delete your high school from your profile Facebook. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you just open your Facebook. Then when your Facebook is open, and you will just go here to this three line, and then you will go to settings and privacy, then settings, and then guys you will go to profile information, and then on profile information you will go to your high school and click on this pane and click delete school and click OK, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.